Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to check the balance of the Vanilla Visa gift card. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Vanilla Visa, which is www.vanillavisa.com. Once on the Vanilla Visa website, look for a section or link that says Check Balance or Manage Card. This is usually located in the top menu or in a prominent area of the homepage. Click on the Check Balance or Manage Card link, which will take you to a page where you can enter your card details. Enter your Vanilla Visa gift card number. This is typically a 16-digit number located on the front of the card. Enter the expiration date of the card. This is usually printed on the front or back of the card. Enter the CVV, which is a 3-digit located at the back. Some websites may require you to verify a CAPTCHA or complete a security check to ensure you are not a robot. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After entering the required information and completing any security checks, click on the Check Balance or Submit button. The website should then display the remaining balance on your Vanilla Visa gift card. This balance is usually known in the currency of the card. Make a note of the balance or take a screenshot of your records. This will help you keep track of how much is left on your Vanilla Visa gift card for future transactions. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.